get what the problem always is with it, and why they're all like on the. It's your turn.
Hi, Debbie. Hello. We're here from the Olathe Public Schools Foundation. You know better. That's a secret. That's a trade secret. We're here today to recognize you with our CEERA Award, our Classified Employee Excellence Recognition Award, because we have known, as long as we've been walking in this door, that you were one of the most outstanding employees there could possibly be, and to represent Olathe Northwest.
I'm going to share a couple of things here of the letters that we got from students and staff on nominations. So Debbie, she has a way of lighting up the room and lightening up any situation that may seem a little uneasy. I've seen that before. She's the receptionist at Olathe Northwest, but to us, she is the happiness behind ONW. That should be the tagline on this one. No matter the size of the request, no matter if the phone is ringing off the hook, it usually is, Debbie is calm, courteous, and treats you as if you're the only person in the world. And those are all just great comments that were made in these letters, and you're going to get a copy of these, and you'll enjoy them, I'm sure. And again, on behalf of the School Foundation Board of Directors and the entire community, I say thank you, and I say congratulations. Great job.
So much. And we have one more thing. We have this check for $500.
I love this place, and I love the kids. I love people.
That's enough right there.
This job means the world to me. I love you people, and I know my family knows that I worry about my babies, and I fret about you all too. So anyway, I love you. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you.